sorry, got to carry on pulling. Battery went dead. So still, that's the bit I pulled out with that on. Trying to get it in shot. See, its baffle's coming out. And put it down on the floor. I'll raise the camera up and back it up a bit so you can see it. Sorry, the consistency looks a bit funny. I do apologise. I can't get far enough away for you to see what's going on, but I'm sure you can piece it all together. I've been wiggling this like mad. Let me turn the camera to see if you can see what I can see. No. Let's see. Listen guys, this is not easy. This is not easy. It's stuck. So what I'm going to do is, I'll show you what I'm going to do. It's a broom handle. It's raining out here. I'm just going to give it a smack with the broom handle. I hope you can see all this. You see it coming into shot. Ah, well there you go. Oh, now I'll show you that. What I've done is I've knocked the inner skin out. I'll show you that afterwards. That means. Ah, right, okay. Let's put that down on the floor. There you go. One baffle. Yeah? I taped it up there so there's a bit of sharp metal there, so I'll just put some tape on it to save my hands. Here's the thing that went around there. Oops, the camera's in the wrong place, which helps. Doesn't help, yeah, it had a bit of sharp metal, so I've taped it up there. This goes round the end of the silencer here. Okay, so that's the baffle out. But what I found is, let me angle the camera right. What I found is there's a tube within a tube, and it's just come out. Let me pick it up, and there you go. That just slides out. See, I didn't know that. I didn't know that was in there. I didn't know that was in there at all. So this is another blanket, and there's a tube within a tube, and this has got a wire around it. Hang on, let me cut the camera, and there's wire. I don't know if the camera's going to pick it up. See, you've got to just nip that wire. It's broken in a couple of places, and I'll unwrap this. Shall I leave the camera rolling? Why not? Is I put the tape on the top as soon as I popped it up, and I just pushed it down a bit because I didn't want to fray all this lot. So you can do that. Okay. Am I out of shot again? Hang on. Sorry, I'm out of shot again. I said that I'm out of shot again. Just pulled the metal off, the metal wire that was holding it on out of shot. Let me just unwrap that. There you go. Okay. So, yeah, I don't know if that's a bit hard to understand, isn't it? I'll drop the camera down and try and take you through it. It's very rusty in there. That's why I put gloves on. And the fiberglass as well, because I remembered there was fiberglass, so I want to put some things on. Right, so I'll reconstruct it as we go, or deconstruct it. Outer tube, yeah? Outer tube. Now there's an inner tube, and this has this. Oh God! I keep thinking I've slashed my wrist. There's so much rust in here. This was wrapped around, be careful because I don't want to ruin this, because I want to use it again. This was wrapped around this, okay, and this tube sat inside here. Can you see that on the camera? This tube sat on here. section. Gently, gently, gently. Yep, okay. Sorry if the camera's a bit high, it's coming down, it's coming down. Right, so I'll give it you in cross section, as it were. Please don't ruin my stuff. You can use loft insulation apparently, but this stuff's pretty expensive. Right, so that went in there. I haven't lined it up right. Let me try and push it in without killing it, because I haven't seen people run with just this can. I've seen them run with this, so I didn't know that that bit existed. Okay. Right, okay, and then the baffle had this wrapped around it. I'm not going to wrap that around it, and the baffle went in there. Now I'm not going to shove that back in there because that was flipping hard to get out. I had to put something up its bum and whack it out, but that came up a bit. This part came up a bit, but what you can do is if that comes out, it obviously will have the fiberglass still attached to it, and then this would be stuck in here, and you can still sort of whack it out with a broomstick. Yeah, let me point that there. Sorry if it's a bit complicated. So yeah, so this is the baffle, and this is the bit that causes the problem. Let me take you through it. So the manifold comes down, pokes into here. Yeah, the gases go in this hole. They come along this tube and they come out halfway up the tube. Then the exhaust gases go round because they've got nowhere to go because there's a stop here. They travel all the way back down, then come up this tube. They come up this tube, expand here and come out of here. So what I'm going to do is where this tape is, I want to cut it. Okay, because I only want this part. You can use just the end cap and weld that back on if you want to, or you can just tidy the end up and paint it and not use it, but I want this part because I want to be able to deaden it if I want to, if it's too loud. Okay, how the hell I'm going to get that back in, because this has to be welded back in, I don't know. So I'm just going to nip inside, cut this, and I'll be back. I can't show you me actually cutting it, or can I? Because Jeff's using the bench, he's doing another project. Oops, up a bit. Right, there you go, cut. And do I want this tape off? It's pretty... can't get it off of there. But this is the bit I wanted. I think I might have cut it in the wrong place, I'm not sure. Because, come off. There's a weld there, and there's a sharp bit of weld, so I taped it up.